Now, Vietnam's food and beverage market is expected to reach $29.5 billion in value by the end of this year, an increase of 5.1% annually. Demand for higher quality products has also increased thanks to higher average incomes. With such potential, several European businesses are looking for opportunities. Thanh Hai reports.
To reduce
Rashid Gassam from a European non-alcoholic drinks company is seeking to distribute the company's products in Vietnam at EU-Vietnam Dialogue on Food and Beverage sector. On the occasion, the company sold a container to Ho Chi Minh City, realizing the potential of the market. It plans to export more in the next 4 months.
I introduced a project for the manage in Vietnam, in Asia, to organize a company. Why not to produce, if possible, in terms, I think at 3-4 years.
Vietnam is the potential market for food and beverage sector. However, European businesses hope that there will be changes to create more favorable conditions for them to enter the market, especially taxation system. According to some firms, the tax level imposed on imported food and beverage products is still high, despite receiving most favored nation treatment, or MFN. For example, tariffs of drinks and spirits range from 20% to 40%.
Vietnamese market should be to implement a lower taxation system, not just for alcohol, imported alcohol or spirits, but for all of the food and beverages from outside Vietnam.
However, once the EU-Vietnam Free Trade Agreement is signed, tariffs of imported food and beverage products will be reduced. This is an opportunity for European companies wanting to export their products to Vietnam.
For European products, tariff liberalization will happen at the maximum of 10 years transition period. So some products which are less sensitive will be liberalized duty-free, but then some products will take 3, 5, 7, up to 10 years. In the case of Vietnam entering the European market, the maximum time limit we have is 7 years.
Once Vietnam eases its tax policy, it should be able to attract more European companies into the country's booming food and beverage sector. Experts say that in order to enter Vietnam's market, besides concerns over the taxes, firms will also need to comply with regulations which are different from those normally found in Europe. Thanh Hai from Vietnam Television, Hanoi.